Hi, this is Yi from Web Hosting Break, and today I'm going to review the WordPress theme Choco. Now, Choco, it's a dark theme blog that's more suited to personal blogs. This two-column theme has a bit more defined character than the usual clean and crisp and minimalistic WordPress theme I would usually review. Now, that's not to say that Choco is messy and cluttered. In fact, it's one of the very few dark themes that doesn't have a grunge feel to it. So as the name suggests, Choco involves warm, dark tones. The layout looks like a leather journal or compendium with stitching details around the border and also textured tabs for the dates and also the sidebar headings. So there are three colorways to choose from. So if I go to the back end and under Appearances, go to Theme Options. So as you can see, currently I have the dark grey one. Okay, and the default one, it's a more brown orange tone. So let's have a look. Refresh this. So this is what the default one looks like. And then we also have the red and black. Okay, let's have a look what this looks like. So there you go, it's more burgundy color, I guess. The default dark brown, orange, and also the red and black, so this one, can look a bit outdated and I guess amateurish as well. However, the dark grey color combination offers a much more subtle journal feel that's slightly more sophisticated. So if we just go back and stick to dark and grey. Okay, let's upload this. So I think it's just a better, I guess, sophisticated and a more minimalistic feel to it as well. So with Choco, the sidebar is a bit more narrow than most of the other WordPress themes, as you can see. Nevertheless, it works, and the sidebar headings are not as distracting as I thought they would be. I like how the images are displayed like a strip of film. Okay. However, sometimes there seems to be a glitch of getting more than one image to be displayed from your Flickr account. So I've had that problem before, but it seems to be working today, so they might have fixed it. I guess one of the big advantages of Choco is the flexibility to change the way your posts look on the front page with minor tweaks. So you can see from my Kuala Lumpur page, the post, it looks a lot different than, let's say, Food in Tokyo and also New York. So the featured image is always shown on the top left-hand corner as a thumbnail, as you can see here with New York, and displayed both on the front and also the actual article. So if we click into New York, the featured image would again be displayed on the left-hand side. Okay. Now this provides an interesting layout, but there are some aspects you will need to be wary of in order to show the post properly. So let's just go back for a sec. The obvious one is to ensure that you have set a featured image. So to do that, if we go to the back end, let's go to a post. Okay, let's go to Food in Tokyo. So again, running through this very quickly, you might know this already. To set a featured image, let's just remove this for now. Okay, so you just go to Set Featured Image, and this will bring up your gallery as well. So if you click into it, or you can actually upload as well. So let's say we wanted food, and then you click on Use as Featured Image. So click on that. And you're done, so you can close that, update, and that's all you need to do. So, I mean, unless you don't like the thumbnail layout, so you don't want this, then you can simply exclude this and your post will be displayed like your usual blog style. Now, this is probably more relevant when you're posting a video, which I have done here. So obviously with this, I haven't set a featured image simply because, well, I don't need a thumbnail on the left-hand corner. So for a neater look, you have to kind of utilize an Insert More tag. So as you can see with Food in Tokyo and New York, it's a lot more neater than, let's say if I scroll up to Kuala Lumpur, which looks slightly more messy. That's because the Kuala Lumpur post, I haven't utilized the Insert More tab. So if you wish to do this, we simply go to the back end. So let's do this now. So let's go to Post. Okay, let's click on Kuala Lumpur. And I find that the best way to display things is to exclude the images, so for example this, before the Insert More tag, I guess, break. So to do this, we simply have some writing at the top, insert a line. If you just look here, it says Insert More tag, so there's actually a shortcut as well, which is Alt-Shift-T. Click that, and you're done. And a break here that says More. So update this. Okay, here we go. And let's just refresh. So this is before what it looks like, and here's what it looks like afterwards. There you go, and you get a link that says read the rest of this entry. So if you click into this, this will come up. So again, as you can see, it is a bit skewered as well, and this is simply because of the featured image. So it has actually pushed the main image here, okay, a bit onto the right. So if we inserted more text or more line breaks, that might solve it. So let's just copy and paste this a few times. Update. So it is a bit more finicky to set up to look just the way you want it to. However, if you are, like I said, it's a personal blog, so if you are writing a lot, then it should definitely be fine. So you just have to keep in mind to have more text before the first image if you wanted to display the thumbnail image. So if we just refresh this again, so that seemed to have solved it. Okay, so Choco includes the standard features that are expected from most WordPress themes now, such as the custom background. So you can actually customize this from the back end under Appearances. So if you go to Background, and also the menu bar as well. So it's under Appearances as well, and the custom menu bar is here. So it's actually dropped down as well. Okay, it would have been nice to see a custom header too, along with maybe a footer widget area. As a sidebar, well, it is sometimes, I guess, too narrow to fit something like a calendar or wider images as well. However, overall, Choco is a simple theme that's more practical for a personal blog, and it's great if you are searching for a dark color theme that exclude the grunge textures or gothic appearance. So let us know what your thoughts are by commenting below, and if you have any other dark colored WordPress themes for us to review, then also let us know. So until then, I'll do another review next week. Cheers!